presenting the Dodge 2020 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: tires 245/45 R20 BSWS performance, octane red pearl coat, wheels 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, SXT satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, blacktop package included, gloss black IP cluster trim rings, rear black spoiler, satin black Dodge tail lamp badge, wheels 20-inch x 8.0 black noise painted black grille with bezel, black fuel filler, door leather performance steering wheel, Challenger blacktop grille badge, black houndstooth cloth sport seat, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, rear wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car